Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to do my top 5 highlighters. So I know there's a lot of really pretty highlighters around, but I wanted to narrow it down to 5. So if you guys are interested in finding out what my favorite highlighters are, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so for the first highlighter you probably are already going to know, but it's going to be the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. I fell in love with this highlight when I tried it. It's so pretty. I mean, the packaging is beautiful, it's so silky and velvety, and it just blends so nicely into the skin to kind of give you like a natural looking highlight. Like, it doesn't look streaky or anything. It's just definitely what I use every day now. I love it so much. Definitely my go-to. Okay, so for the next highlighters, they're not really in a particular order. I use them all kind of equally just for different occasions. So the next one is the Mary Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics. I love it, and it is in fact the bomb because I used to use this all the time. This was my go-to before I discovered the Anastasia and Amrezy one. I already had pan, so I kind of need a new one soon. I always used it. It's just really nice and golden. It went with my skin tone really nicely. It glides onto the skin, and it gives you like a nice radiant glow. Okay, so for the next highlight, it is the Dose of Colors and DesixKaty collab in the shade Fuego. Okay, first of all, can we talk about this packaging? Like, I live for this packaging. Look at it. Like, I just appreciate a good packaging. Like, I can't be the only one, right? So this is the highlight right here. It's such like a nice rose gold one, and I love it. It just gives you that really like, you know when you take those pictures like in the sun, it kind of gives you that look without having to be in the sun, because it just gives you like a nice golden highlight, and I love it. And especially in sun, it photographs so well. I love it. Okay, so for the next highlight, this is kind of a classic. It is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight. I use this a lot. I used to use it a lot more. I don't use it as often, but it's kind of something that I always lean towards, especially for like a golden highlight. It's just really beautiful, and it gives you, again, like, I really like natural highlights. Like, I don't like things to look too blinding. I mean, it depends on the occasion, you know. But this one is just really nice, smooth. It's got a nice like, look at that. Wow, that was like from one. And it's so pretty, it's so smooth, and just gives you like, there's like gold flecks in it, and it's just, I love it. I love it. I really love when highlights look good in the sun, especially because really you're just trying to accentuate the high points of your face, and it's just like really, I love all these. And like generally I do base my highlights kind of off the eyeshadow look I do, so like for today, like a peachy kind of look, I would lean towards a golden highlight, kind of like the Gilded Honey. And like the Mary Luminizer is more of like a white based highlight, so I do that more like every day. I don't know, it really depends. I can't really describe it that well, but it depends on the eye look I use. But yeah, the Gilded Honey is kind of what I do when I want like a golden, really bronzy look. Okay, so for the next one, it is the Sleek Makeup Palette. It's the highlighting palette in Solstice 032. I know that Daisy Marquez talked about it. I think Jaclyn Hill might have mentioned this as well. This one, it gives you that blinding highlight, like, girl. Okay, one thing I do want to mention about this, I don't like that it doesn't open all the way. Like, it doesn't go farther, and it's kind of hard to like, I don't know. I don't like that too much. It comes with a brush. I don't really use it. I don't know why I have it in there. The shades I really use are these top two. I've used the purple one like every now and then. It depends on like the look I'm going for. But these are just like blinding highlights. Like, look at that. They're just, if you really want to be blinding and you want people to go blind when you're out and about, like, you do you, girl, this is the highlight to go for. It's pretty affordable too, and it gives you like a nice options. It has like a yellow one, kind of a pinky rose one, and again the purple one. I don't really use that one or the liquid one. I mostly use these two again, but I really love them. Definitely a good highlight, really blinding. Okay, so the last product I want to talk about is not a highlighter, but it is a highlighting product. It is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. These, I use them in my, what was it, the no makeup look video. These give you like a really nice, like, since it's a liquid, you can blend it into the skin, and I usually use it like underneath these highlights, and it gives you like a really nice glow. It's not, I wouldn't say like exactly natural, but like you can wear it on its own. That's kind of what I do sometimes, and you just kind of really blend it into the skin, and it just gives you like a nice glow. Like, it's just, I keep saying glow, I know, but it's just, all these products are so glowy and perfect, and I really love this one, especially under a highlight. Again, it just blinds you. It's amazing. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I know that it's kind of short and quick, but I just really wanted to talk about my favorite highlights. Highlight is one of my favorite makeup products because I just love seeing that glow. Like right now I'm wearing the Anastasia one, you already know. But they're just really, like, I love it. It's one of my top like 3 items in general. But I wanted to show you guys which ones I really love and which ones I recommend. Some of these are affordable, some are not. Like, I think this one is $20. This one, I'm not exactly sure. I'll link it down below, all the prices and where to get all of these. But if you guys enjoyed this video, then go ahead and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I will be having a giveaway soon and you must be subscribed to enter. But that'll be once I hit 100 subscribers. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time.